Okay, so I'm going to probably start a series on this one. This is a basket case John Deere 318. It's got an Onan twin engine. Well, we'll look at that in a while. It's been sitting a while. I don't know a whole lot about these, except that they are a heavy-duty garden rated tractor, and the garden rating is for everything is made extra heavy duty in the fact that it can use ground engaging equipment, implements like a plow or anything you're going to drag or anything. It's made to be extra robust. It's not just a regular lawn tractor, so it is a heavy duty model. I have the deck with it, and what I know about it is it was said to run, and it got in an accident with a fence, as we can see evidenced by this bracket being bent pretty far back, and somebody has taken apart everything that they were going to attempt to repair it, and apparently had just given up on the project. The other thing, I don't know if this was before or after. It may have ran after that, I don't know, but the steering wheel is connected to absolutely nothing. This one looks like it has power steering. I see a cylinder here, so I'm guessing some kind of gear down there, or don't know. A lot of things unknown. It's missing a light here. If I leave it outside, that gas gauge is going to fill up with water, so I gotta put a bag over that. It's got the mount. I don't know a lot about these. Never had a 318. It's got a hydraulic cylinder back in there that must raise and lower, I guess, this bar. I don't know. This bracket, there is a bagger, a part of a bagger assembly here. That hitch looks like it's going to fit in there. I don't have any of the tubes or anything, but I don't know that I need to use that anyway, but just for parts. Here's the mowing deck. The mule drive was on it when I got it. The deck was still on it when I got it, but I couldn't fit it on my trailer. I'm going to go through the deck and everything once I see that the tractor works good. I don't know if that's a 48-inch or 50-something inch deck. I'm not sure. Maybe this tells me. I got a serial number, by the way. This is 1984. If you look at, a lot of times if they have the original stickers like this does, 84. I'll have to look up this deck to see what size that is, but it's probably a 40, 48, 52. Don't know what they made on these years. I don't think it's 60. But that's all there. And then I have a box of miscellaneous parts. Deck wheels, the side chute for the deck, looks like a couple of spare blades, grill. Supposedly this one ran into a fence. That makes sense with the kind of damage I'm seeing there. Looks like it took quite a hit. Looks like that's the blade guard, side shield for the tractor motor. Guess that's probably for the front, the grass screen, and the other side shield for the mower. The other thing I see is this piece, which looks like they were trying to bend it back. That's the other, this thing here, that would have been originally on there, so that's pretty gnarly looking. So it took a pretty good hit, so I'll have to check all the steering and everything else. Maybe that's what made the steering go bad. I'm not sure if he said that the accident caused the steering to break, or if the accident was good, he just took the metal off to get out of the way, and then the steering broke later. But I'm guessing the steering, obviously, the second that went bad, the tractor's out of commission, and then it just sat. So looks like this wheel has had some damage. That may have been from the same accident. They got a brand new tire on there though, which is cool. Maybe that wheel got bashed in with the same accident, or maybe that was separate. I don't know. On the other side looks okay, but what it is, it's a real heavy duty machine. I don't know if you can see the axle in the sunlight here. Probably you can see it better than I can see it on my viewfinder. Real heavy duty cast iron axle on there. Everything's really thick metal. I mean, that's, I don't know, 1/4 inch, whatever. It's built. It's got this, I believe, is for the hydraulic lift on the deck, up and down. It's got an electric PTO for the deck. That, I guess, that should be your choke. Throttles here separately. Headlights. That's a hydrostatic, forward and reverse. This is probably, yeah, parking brake. Let me see if I can get that hood open. Yeah, so I got the hood open. If I didn't say already, it's a John Deere 318. So the battery is from March 09, so who knows how long it was actually sitting. I didn't really ask. Really doesn't matter. Looks to be in pretty good shape. All the wiring seems to be original. Everything seems to be pretty original on this machine. It's pretty well taken care of. You can see a little overspray, so they've touched it up, but boy, it's pretty original condition. It's pretty solid. It's all there. I got a little mouse nest under there. I'll have to evict that and check the wires for the coil, which is located right here, and everything else around that. The hood is here's something interesting. So the deck says 1984. It's built to a safety standard. The hood, I'm looking at it, it's upside down to you guys, but 7/12/86. So that's kind of interesting. Maybe that was replaced later, or maybe it's an 86 and the deck was just marked differently. But all the headlights are gone except the one here. The other ones, I've got wires hanging, a broken bulb in that one, broken bulb in that one. So that probably took a hit during the accident. The hood's all here though. It doesn't look like anything's really broken on it. And then the engine, I'll just have to go through that. You get your trans oil here, I see. Came with the original manual, parts manual, service manual, extra filters, everything. So pretty well set. I think this is going to be a good thing to rebuild here. It's definitely a great candidate for a rebuild because these things are really robust. A lot of people are these are really desirable to a lot of folks. I mean, look at the size of that metal. That's not just a stamping. That's, you know, that's a whole plate. You know, everything's made real heavy duty, like the steering knuckle and everything. I mean, look at the size of that compared to my hand. It's amazing. So definitely a great candidate for a rebuild, and just thankful to have it.